Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're like me and you tend to break your ice cube trays by bending them whenever trying to get the ice out, you definitely need to check this pack by Doonly. I love the fact that it comes with two ice makers. You're going to see that you can place these in the container it comes with, which I really appreciate since sometimes it can pick up some freezer odors, which I dislike. You're going to freeze these ice cubes, and once they're done, you're going to see how easy it is to operate. You're going to flip the ice tray on the top, and then you're going to put the lid and gently push down, and you're going to see how each cube comes out. There's literally nothing left on the tray. You're going to do the same for the second one. I love using this with my iced coffee or any beverage. So if you're looking for something practical that saves space in your freezer, then definitely check this ice cube tray with lid and bin by Doonly.
And that's my point of view.